Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is Rando Geek. All right, guys. I want to talk about the Google Pixel tablet rumors and basically just go over some of the leaks and things that we are being told are expected to be seen in the tablet. So, as you know, May 10th is Google's launch event. The Google Pixel tablet, along with the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel Watch 2, and a couple of other products, the Fold, Google Pixel Fold, are expected to be discussed and previewed during the live event. So, what I want to do is just quickly go over the Pixel tablet with you. We'll go over the leaks, rumors, and see what we can expect. All right, so this article is by Android Authority. I'll leave the link for you in the description. So, Google Pixel tablet release date and price. So we're looking at the availability for pre-order on May 10th, which is the launch date from Google. No information on pricing as of yet. Apparently not to be super expensive, so that's good, right? What else do we have here? The Google Pixel tablet will land in 2023, although we don't have an exact date yet. Yes, all right. That will obviously most likely be discussed during the live event. Google will tell you when, most likely when you can expect to buy it. All right. As far as pricing goes, two leaks. The first is the pricing in Europe. So we know that Europe is expected to be anywhere from 600 euro to 650 euro. Another leak suggests the price of 79,800 in Japanese yen. Both prices would include the dock. All right. And obviously, that doesn't mean that the US price tag will be the same. Could be more, could be less, could be around the same. We won't know until they actually discuss it. All right. Tablet colors, design, and size. So, this is a picture of what it's expected to look like. Official renders show the 11-inch Pixel tablet won't borrow the design language of the Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 series. Okay. So far, we have seen gray, green, and white and beige colors, and leaked pre-release black model. Black one sounds nice. It's believed that there would be 4 color options in total. All right. Google showed off the design of the Pixel tablet during. There were no subtle hints either. The company showed the tablet from all sides, giving us a very solid idea of what to expect. Right. Apparently, it's going to have some of the old Google design from the Pixel 4 and 5, and something similar to the Pixel 6. Apparently, it's not going to look very modern. The front is going to have large bezels all around. Right? 11 inches. Basically, if you're looking for a modern style tablet, this is most likely not going to be for you, according to the article. We'll just have to wait and see, right? Right, here's another photo with the dock. The Pixel tablet will have pogo pins for connecting to accessories, including a speaker dock. When connected to the dock, the tablet turns into a smart display. A trusted website asserted in April that the tablet will come with the dock. Right. Yep. Poorly. Some more photos here. Right. More photos, more photos. There's the dock. Okay. All right. So now they're saying that it's going to have the G2 Tensor chip with Android 13 and available in 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM with 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, ultra wideband support, and stylus support. All right. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, it's not going to get, it's most likely not going to launch with Android 14, but I would like to think that that will be upgradable at some point. Probably immediately, shortly after, I would say. Once it's available, of course, to more devices. Most likely, it looks like what's going to happen here is, at the rate we're going, it looks like Google is going to hold off on Android 14 until they drop the 8 series, and then I think it might start rolling out to more devices. They're probably trying to make that a big thing for the 8, even though they shouldn't be doing that. But at the delay we're having, we haven't seen 14 yet. We're just seeing beta, and you know what I mean. So we'll see. All right, they're saying it could have a supported stylus, judging by several leaks. All right. So there you pretty much have it. LCD panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. Stylus support, 8 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR5 RAM on board, so that's good. Good RAM. UFS 3.1 storage options. Not bad. It doesn't sound bad. It sounds like an attractive tablet, to be honest. Just I think the style may be a little old-fashioned. Battery doesn't seem too good. Let's see. 27. It's not bad, actually. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Well, I mean, if it's $600, not too good. But not terrible. I mean, it really all depends, right? Depends on what we see during the launch. These are just some leaks. Again, it doesn't look bad. It has some good specs. Looking to see. I didn't notice if it said if it has USB-C. Looking here. I would like to think that it does. Might have missed it. Don't see anything that says that. But I would like to think that that's included. But, yeah, we'll see. I'm looking forward to the event. Only then will we know the truth. But, yeah. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. Like I said, I'll leave the links for you. We saw some of the screenshots together. Let me know in the comment section if you think, based on what you're seeing, what I've read to you, the brief overview that I gave you, and then the images that you saw. I'll leave the link for you in the description. You can read everything on your own. Let me know in the comment section if you're excited for this. Do you think it's going to be worth anywhere near the 600 price tag that we might see in the US when it hits here? Let me know in the comment section below. And what would you have liked to see in this tablet? Based on the specs that we're being told we might get, what would you have liked to see besides obviously a thinner bezel, maybe a thinner overall, more modern style appearance, which again, we don't know for sure. We won't know until they launch it and they unveil it, right? Then, who knows? We could be looking at a completely different design. These are just rumors. Some of these rumors are going back to December of 2022. A lot can change, in a couple of months. So we will have to wait and see what's official, But yeah, as always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you like the content. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.